From light to sound. Now sound is another important topic. When I am speaking here, you are able to hear. Now in our sections on biology, in life sciences, we have understood how does that hearing take place. That hearing occurs through the sense organ which is ear, and this ear is divided into three parts, that is the inner ear, middle ear and outer ear. The outer ear, this structure is called as pinna, and this actually takes the sound wave inside. The middle ear has three bones, MIS, malleus, incus and stapes, and then the inner ear where the information goes from the ear to the auditory nerve and finally to the brain. So here we understood the process of ear, how do we hear, but this sound, how it is produced. Now take an example. This is a pen. I hit it here. You have a different sound. So all of these sounds that I am creating are a little different. Some of them are shrill, sharp, others are soft. When we speak, that's the most audible range, we can say. The range that we can hear is the audible range. Now anything beyond that, for example, there is a jet plane moving. Now when it's moving very close, you would have to close your ears probably. Why? Because the sound is too shrill and probably can damage your ears if proper precautions are not taken. So audible sound, the limits of audible sound is important. This sound is measured in a unit which is known as dB or called as decibel units. So sound is measured in a unit which is known as decibel.